Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on how to log in. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Zenegy account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get straight into it. Firstly, you need to open any web browser on a PC. Now there, search for Zenegy.com. Now once you search for it, you will be directed to its official homepage. Now from here, tap on Login IND at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you will be taken to its login page. Now you have to type in your email address and password associated with your Zenegy account. You can tap on this eye icon to reveal and confirm your password. And if in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forget your password to retrieve your password. Now once you are done with typing in your credentials, tap on login button. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to get logged into your Zenegy account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.